Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
फिरकीचो जादूगर म्हूण ऑस्ट्रेलियाचो आदलो क्रिकेटर शेन वॉर्न फामाद. वयाच्या अवघ्या 52व्या वर्सात ताका मरण आयिल्ल्यान पुराय संवसाराक शॉक. ताका काळजाच्या आताकान मरण आयलां म्हूण मुळावो निश्कर्श. मेलबर्नांत MCG स्टेडियमा भायर ताच्या स्टॅच्यू मुखार फॅन्सांनी वेगवेगळ्या तरेन आर्गां ओंपलीं. फुलां तुरे, बियर कॅन, टी शर्ट अश्यो वस्तू स्टॅच्यू मुखार दवरून फॅन्सांनी ताची याद काडली.
When he started, when he finished, he didn't change. He was still the same guy that was just a legend and just a normal guy that became a household figure. Didn't matter around the world where he was. So he could relate to everyone, whether it was Joe Blogs or whether it was someone else around the world. It doesn't matter. He was just the guy that you could see yourself as. Amazing.
शेन वॉर्न ऑस्ट्रेलियाचे वैभव. एक जंटलमॅन गेलो. क्रिकेट फॅन्सांबरोबर बाकीच्यांची आर्गां.
Growing up, sort of in the 2000s, my dad was a rabid Shane Warne fan, and because he's Canadian, so he came down here in about the 90s, and just like the first thing he loved about Australia was Shane Warne. It was just it bridged so many gaps. It just feels crazy that he's gone.
Very surreal, very surreal. I'm not the biggest cricket fan, but Shane Warne, I cried this morning when my son told me, and I didn't realise that I would be so shocked, but I cried, and it's just felt very unreal today, to be quite honest with you.
As a Melbourneian, as a Victorian, as an Australian, it just feels like.
सचिन तेंडुलकर आड शेन वॉर्न हांचे मदीं ग्रावंडावेली झूज सामकीच फामाद. फिरकीच्या जादूगारा आड मास्टरूच वस्ताद थारतालो. शेन वॉर्न भारतांत खेळपाक आयिल्लो तेन्ना सावन ताका फॉलो करपी हे भारतीय जोडपे शेन वॉर्नाक आर्गां ओपूंक पावले.
Sachin Tendulkar versus Shane Warne. This used to be the battle on the ground, and we have watched so many battles of such kinds. The Saja series where Sachin Tendulkar played some good cricketing shots against Shane Warne is a story of folklore. In fact, such a tragic moment for us to hear. Actually, unfortunately, we are in Melbourne, and we're just fortunate enough to come and see and pay our tribute to him. And it's such a great loss for cricket fans and fraternity all across the world.
The sudden passing away of the greatest ever spinner Australia had ever produced, Shane Warne, at the age of 52 at his villa in Thailand, had sent shockwaves across the globe. Here in Melbourne, in his hometown, we saw mourners arriving here at the MCG since early this morning, some with flowers, some with beer cans, to pay their tribute to the greatest ever cricketer, who's well known not just on the field but also off the field.